Hey y'all, this is Melissa. I was just coming on to tell y'all some good news. CoverGirl, for a while, originally from their onset, they were cruelty free, okay? But then they were bought out by the company called Coty, and Coty was not cruelty free. So for a while they lost their cruelty free status, but they're back. They're back. They're back. They're now cruelty free again. So I don't know what happened to make them cruelty free again, but they're cruelty free again. And I wanted you to know about this because they are cruelty free and they are back better than ever. I picked up this today. I was bound determined I was going to try something CoverGirl because I haven't tried a CoverGirl product in forever. My mom loves CoverGirl. She swears by CoverGirl, especially the foundation, the clean and clear foundation. So I tried this one today, CoverGirl Overthrown makeup palette. Look at this thing. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. So if you were interested in finding out about their palettes, their new palettes, this is beautiful. Bar none beautiful. If you're interested in finding out how this palette did for me, stay tuned. And while you're at it, like this video and subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell. So before I get started with the tutorial and review, I wanted to let you know they have 4 of these palettes out like this. These run like $14.90 something at Walmart. And they also have some smaller palettes for $9.98. But I got this one. I like the colors in this one the best. So they have, let me pull up my phone here that's got this on it. They have one like this called Revolution. They've got, let's see, scrolling. This one called Overthrown. They've got one called Ascension and one called Reign. Like you're going to reign on your throne. So these are the Her Majesty palettes. So I thought, hey, I'm a daughter of the king. So yes, Her Majesty palettes. Perfect. So, and it said that CoverGirl Her Majesty collection features some Game of Thrones-like eyeshadow palettes. So, that's what this is. And it is very pretty. And I'm going to show it to you. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Okay, so I have prepped my face. I'm getting ready to put this on. So, again, this is the CoverGirl Overthrown eyeshadow palette. Has the nice crown here on top. So you will get to see it at the same time that I do as I unwrap this. So here's the back. We shall see how this goes. Alright, here it goes. Wow, that's right, nice. I'll take this little sticker thing off here. Tacky sticker. There's a nice little mirror inside. Look at that, it has a nice mirror in there. That is nice looking. They each have their little names here across the bottom. That is very pretty. There's some nice sparkly colors in there, nice shiny colors. Those are actually really gorgeous looking. So, we're going to get right to this. I know I'm not usually a big blender, but I am going to do some blending on this just because I want to use several of these colors. So I'm going to start with my Luxie 229. So So these already have some other colors on them a little bit, but that's alright. That looks a little, oh, see that? I don't know if you can see that or not. A little dusty there. Starting with this one called Fallen, this pink right here. Just going to do some of that here in the crease. Just as a transition shade here. I'm just kind of doing this the way people traditionally do this with the blending. I don't normally do that, but with this one I am going to. For one thing, because it is a little on the more chalky side. So I'm glad I went ahead and before I started, prepped my eyes with the eyeshadow primer base Luscious Angel Eyes. I used this before I started to make sure this all stays on here. We'll see if they're all quite this chalky. The colors are beautiful though. We'll just have to see how chalky they wind up being. So let's put down some color there for me. Okay, and then I'm going to go, I think, next into this brown one here. It's a little shimmery, called Smoldering here. Just sort of also in the crease there. Ooh, watch that one. That one's not putting off anywhere near the powder that first one did. So we shall see how that goes here. Oh yeah, that's putting down some color. Wow, okay. Just kind of work with that. Look at that. We'll see what we can do with this. Yeah, that's not putting down nearly. Oof, okay. Got down a little bit on that. Just kind of there on that outer corner and into the crease just a little bit. Got underneath just a slight bit, but that's alright. We'll work on that. Alright. Now, I really, really, really want to dip into, for this corner and into my crease, this green here. This green is called Never Again. It does have still just a little bit of some fallout stuff going on here. Actually, let me put this one down. Let me use my Real Techniques for this. I'm gonna put this green underneath. Wow. Yeah, gotta tap that off a little bit. Put this green underneath here. I'm needing a little more precision here. Hence the Real Techniques. Yeah, alright. Yeah, I like that green. That green is very pretty. You can get a very dramatic look with this. Kind of a nice evening look, which it's evening now, so I guess that would be appropriate. Go up and make that triangle there. You can see what I'm doing there. Get up in there. That blended in. Yeah, the chalkier they are like this, the more blending you're going to have to do. Yeah, I'm definitely going to have to blend this out a little bit. Ooh. Let me get this little sponge here where I got too much up right there where I don't want it. There we go. That helped it. Yeah, put it back where I do want it. All right. Now for let's go back to where'd you go? I think right in here I'm going to go with, I believe, this really sparkly one here called Loveless, right there. Yeah, do that one. Alrighty. That's a little dark. Oh well, that's alright. We'll just go with that. Yeah, let's see what we get here. Alright. All the way up to the crease right there. I'm going to show you this one here. All the way up to the crease right in there. Alright. Now I'm going to get up there, right up here in the, against the brow bone, I'm going to use Legacy, which is this shimmery gold right here. That is a nice, wow, really nice shimmery gold. Wow. That's a gorgeous gold. I love that. Wow. And I'm also going to put that Legacy like right in here. It'll be a dark look. I think wearing like a dark outfit, that would be alright. I'm going to put a little bit of it right here in the inner corner to brighten it up. Alright, I am going to clean this up just a little bit, just where there's some fallout. I'm going to use, actually, I'll go ahead and show you doing that. Show you how I do that. I just use one of these little makeup sponges and I take it along just like this. And I clean that up. You can even see where it made like a line, extra line there that I have to wipe off. And you can see where it just wipes it right off, right onto the sponge. Do the same thing on the other side here. It will absolutely wipe off any of that extra powder. And then we'll do the same thing like right up in here. There's just a little bit extra green I didn't want there. Alright. And then this one here. this fluffy one. I'm just going to take and tip some of this a little bit, just to soften that edge. I just kind of tip it. I don't even really swirl or anything. You swirl, you're going to mess up that line. You just kind of, I tap it like that. I'm going to come like this way and brush this way. And that just kind of softens those lines just a little bit. But you still get your definition that way. Alright, I'm going to swipe one more time here. Anything I broke loose in there. Okay, so I'm ready for eyeliner and mascara. I'll come back and show you the final look on this. Y'all. So this is the final look. Let you take a peek here. I think it turned out really nice. So, CoverGirl has done really well. So this is the CoverGirl Overthrown palette. And again, I'll show you the inside. Very pretty. I'm really happy about getting these myself, another green, because I really love greens. And I tell you, this little really pale gold here is just gorgeous. This copper here is actually really pretty. I'm kind of excited about this blue here. Let me swatch that. I'm excited to see what that looks like. Ah, yeah, it's going to be really nice too. That's going to be really nice. So, that's a really nice green. So, anyway, I wanted to share with you about CoverGirl. There you go, now you can see it a little better. I've been walking around all day with all kinds of stuff swatched on my arm. So anyway, I wanted to share with you about CoverGirl today. That's very exciting for those of us that budget shop. This is good news, folks. For those of us that shop the dollar stores, that shop Walmart, this is wonderful. This palette rivals anything that Too Faced or Tarte or any of those really big, expensive companies want to put out. Because, hey, what can you say? Nice little palette, beautifully designed, the names on the colors, the mirror, little scroll work here. Hey, this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. And the colors work wonderfully. They're beautiful. So, I mean, they're no more chalky than anything else that those other companies put out. So, I'm very pleased with that. I'll definitely use that. Especially when I want a nice green or blue. So, remember, until next time, that you are fearfully and wonderfully made. And I'll see you in the next video. See you next time.